video, we are going to learn some words for the letters from A to Z. This is the letter A. A is for apple, aeroplane, axe and ass. This is the letter B. B is for bus, boy, bread and ball. This is the letter C. C is for cat, cap, cake, camel. This is the letter D. D is for dog, doll, drum, duck. This is the letter E. E is for elephant, egg, eye, engine. This is the letter F. F is for fish, frog, fan, frog. This is the letter G. G is for grapes, girl, glass, goat. This is the letter H. H is for horse, hat, hen, house. This is the letter I. I for ice cream, ice, ink pot, iron. This is the letter J. J is for jug, jam, jeep, joker. This is the letter K. K is for kite, key, king, kangaroo. This is the letter L. L is for lion, leaf, lock, lollipop. This is the letter M. M is for monkey, mug, moon, mango. This is the letter N. N is for nurse, net, nest, necklace. This is the letter O. O is for orange, ox, owl, ostrich. This is the letter P. P is for peacock, postman, pencil, plate. This is the letter Q. Q is for queen, queue, quilt. This is the letter R. R is for rose, rat, rainbow, ring. This is the letter S. S is for ship, shirt, shoe, soap. This is the letter T. T is for top, tap, table, telephone. This is the letter U. U is for umbrella, umpire, uncle, urn. This is the letter V. V is for van, vase, vest, violin. This is the letter W. W is for watch, well, wall, window. This is the letter X. X is for xylophone, X-ray, Xmas tree. This is the letter Y. Y is for yak, yacht, yo-yo, yam. This is the letter Z. Z is for zebra, zero, zip, zigzag. Hope you all learned some words for the letters from A to Z. Thank you.